Hello, ma'am, sir. My name is Mr. Aljon Evangelista, living here in the Philippines. I'm 32 years old. I have two sons, 8 years old and 9 years old. My height is 173 centimeter and my weight is 60 kilogram. My working experience is male helper, almost 4 years. My job and duties, responsibility, pet care, car washing, gardening. My experience is a handyman. I can do welding job, grinding job, sailing job, partition job, or other renovation works. I hope you hire me in Hong Kong because I want to provide my family needs, because Hong Kong is a high salary and a good country. Thank you, ma'am.